Welcome to Connector Academy. Today's our first deep dive and we're doing it on DTM connectors, one of my personal favorites. Let's get into it. What does DTM stand for anyways? Deutsch Thermoplastic Miniature. DTM is part of the Deutsch DT family, but it lives at a very specific scale. Smaller terminals, smaller wires. Seen here next to DTP. Before we talk about ratings or use cases, this physical scale difference is the foundation for why these connectors are so useful. Let's take a look at a couple examples. Next, let's take a quick look at pinouts and architecture. DTM connectors come in 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12 position connectors. This helps cover a very wide range of use cases. Honestly, the best part is how compact they actually are. You can fit a lot of wire in a very small area. DTM connectors use size 20 solid barrel terminals. And this geometry, not the housing, is what defines the connector's behavior. A solid barrel terminal gives you the full 360 degrees of compression around the conductor. No folded wings, no spring tension. The retention system is mechanical. Once seated, the terminal doesn't rely on friction, it relies on geometry. 7.5 amps per terminal is enough to power far more than sensors. Many lighting circuits, solenoids, relays, and actuators fall well below that. So current alone is not the deciding factor. If it were, this connector wouldn't exist. DTMs exist where circuit count, packaging, and routing matter. It allows more connections in less space with predictable behavior under vibration. This is why you see DTM concentrated around ECUs, dashes, and sensor clusters. Not because it's fragile, but because it's efficient.